amazing score in PT. And can you show the scorecard to the audience? So this is amazing. You have got 69 overall and 80 in listening. Can you tell me how was your experience with Level Up?
First of all, the sir is very friendly in nature, and he gives you lots of tips and tricks to execute there in the real examination. And you get here the AI based scoring, which will help you a lot. And yeah.
And so how many months did you practice for PT?
Exactly 1 month. Like I joined on the 2nd of May, and I gave the exam on 2nd of June.
Okay.
That's perfect.
And you were, you wanted to give much earlier than this because you were not prepared.
I wanted to give the exam in almost 15 days or like that.
Okay. And how is like PT test? Is it easy? क्यों लगी PT?
Yeah, it's very easy, and you can give the exam more confidently. Like you just speak with your friends, and it's very easy.
So did the tips and tricks help you?
Yes. It perfectly helped me in the exam, and I got my desired score through it, and those were so helpful, and you can use in the real examination.
Okay. And did you use the templates?
Yes, of course. I used the templates, and those were very easy.
Okay.
And it perfectly worked fine.
Okay. So, what would you give your friends, someone who is appearing for PT? Any suggestions would you like to give them so that they can also achieve your kind of score?
Yeah, just be confident and do whatever you do with your friends. Just speak like a normal pitch, and you are good to go.
Okay. Anything for Level Up you would like to recommend?
Yes, it's perfectly fine, and if you are working for PT or IELTS, just come here and get your desired score.
Okay, thank you Tanish. Thank you for giving your time. Wish you all good luck for your future endeavors. May you get your admissions into best of the college and go for your dreams, achieve your dreams. Thank you so much.
Thank you.